guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a few different Ipsy mystery bags to show you guys. Do you want to know what this is all about and what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I ordered a few different mystery bags from Ipsy. I didn't even know that they existed until Southern Mom told me, so thank you. I ended up getting two different limited edition Valentine's Day mystery bags. Those are both $14 each. Then I got one Galentine's Day set that was $16. And then I got one limited edition Best of 2019 bag. So I'm just gonna show them all to you. So there should be 4 different ones. But when I opened up the box, so this would probably be the limited edition Best of 2019. These should be the 2 different limited edition Valentine's Day makeup bags, mystery bags, sorry. And then I have 2 extra items just thrown on top. And then here's an Ipsy box that's not even taped. The tape's already cut. And that's what's all inside. So I'm not sure where these come into play, but let's go ahead and see what's inside. So since this one's already in my hand and this one's already opened, there's no cutting the tape needed. So let's go ahead and get into this one. And again, this one should be the $16 Galentine's Day set. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get in here. And then I have a little backstory to tell you, but let's go ahead and get in here. And that's what okay. So here's 2 of those items right here. So I'm even more confused. Let's go ahead and see what is all inside this set for $16. So right on top, we do have the sheet mask and it's by Midflower. This looks like it'll be a nice, good one. Is there multiple in here? I think there's 2. Yes, there's 2 sheet masks in there and that's what that looks like. And you leave it on for 30 minutes. So here's 2 sheet masks. Then there is this Lash Pop. So here's a set of lashes. And you guys know I don't do lashes, but this was included. I mainly got this to show you guys. So then here is a brush. And I think this might be the same one that I got in Ipsy this month actually. But this one, maybe not, but this one says BMX 265 Glow. And that's what the brush looks like. There's a little head of it. And then there is like a little cool design to it. I don't know if you can see that through the plastic, but I'm not going to open it because I'm just going to set this aside for you guys. Then my favorite lotion, which I definitely wanted this to add to my purse. Or to put in my purse. So here's the Hemp's Original Hydrate and Nourish Moisturizer. And I love this lotion. I have like several bottles and I have back stock. I love that lotion and the shampoo and conditioner. But there's that. Then we have the BioFresh mask with real calming herbs. And I'm not hip on the like mud masks, this kind of style. I'm more into sheet masks. But here is this particular item right here. So I'll set that aside. Then we have a package of Instant Glow face wipes, cucumber mint. That sounds amazing. How many are in here? There's quite a few. 6 wipes. So here's 6 different face wipes that are all inside of this little package. So that's really neat. I'm glad to have that. Then we have okay. Funny story. I got one of these when I got the Teamy Life box or whatever that they did, like a mystery box like one time. And when I first opened it, the box was empty, but it was a really nice, like a really nice box that it was in, but my product was missing. So they sent me another one. So I literally had a box that I could have stuck this in and it would have been a better presentation because it was missing, but I threw the boxes away. But here's one. Maybe that's how they can cut corners by putting it in here because it's not in that fancy little box that they had. But this is the Teamy Clear Quartz Facial Roller. And I did actually finally use mine the other day. And this is a very nice, higher quality than any other facial roller that I have received. But here is the clear quartz face roller, and it feels so nice and cool and refreshing on your face, let me tell you. And then the last item in here is a 2-in-1 headband and scrunchie. And anybody with any type of hair could definitely use this to keep your hair out of your face, pull it up in a ponytail, or do whatever you would like. So that's really cool that that's in there. So that is everything that came in here for $16. For $16, I do think this is a good deal. You have scrunchies, you have face wipes, you have a face mask, you have a brush. This Teamy roller, this pays for the more than the entire box. So that's amazing that that is in there. You have the Hemp's lotion, you have lashes, and you have a 2-piece face mask. Like, holy moly. Now, the only thing that I was gonna add to this for the backstory, when you went to purchase this, and I normally do my screenshots, but I was at work and I was just really in a hurry. I just placed my order, went on with my day, and didn't even think about it. Now I can't find the Galentine's Day thing on Ipsy's store or shopper or anything to be able to kind of show you guys. And I'm sure they've changed it now and pulled it, but I did get an email from them and they said, we're reaching out with an update on your Galentine's Day Ipsy offer purchase. Due to an oversight on our end, we listed the, and I don't know how to say this, Seraphine, I don't know, it's Seraphine, Botanicals plus Camellia eyeshadow palette in the description that was not included with this offer. We are sorry for any disappointment this oversight has caused you. Your order will still include all of the products that were pictured in the value of $80. Hope you love the set. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact Ipsy. So when you did purchase this, like I said, when Southern Mom told me, oh, this is what I purchased, I looked at it and then I read the description. I'm like, wait a minute, the description shows a palette, but the picture doesn't. And she's like, well, maybe it's still gonna be in there. They just didn't show it. So I'm like, cool, I wanna get this mainly for the palette. If I didn't like it, I could put it in a future giveaway or something like that for you guys. But I mainly wanted it to see what kind of palette that was because this whole thing was only $16. So it's kind of a little false advertisement that the description showed a list of everything that was going to be included. That palette was included in the description, but it's not included in the actual box. So there's that. You guys can take that information and I don't know, you can do something with it. But I just don't think that if you have something in the description box and it's your error, I don't think you just send an email saying, hey, sorry, it was our error. Hopefully you like your box anyways. Good luck. And it was after it was already shipped or anything. So like they should have came to me first and said, hey, there's an oversight. This does not include the palette. Do you still want it before I ship it? If not, I'll cancel it, refund you, that kind of thing. At least give the customer the option, because if they read the description and they think they're getting a palette, they should have got a palette is my thing. But you know. So let's go ahead and move on to the limited edition best of 2019 mystery bag. It does come in this bag right here, which is really cute. It has this long little tassel style pull tab that does say pull tab that says Ipsy for the zipper. And then when you open it up, there are some products inside. So let's see what is in here. Okay, so the inside of the bag is all pink, very cute. There is, how cute! This I'm probably going to put, like, I'm not gonna put it on my purse, but maybe if I have a makeup bag or some type of bag around, I can put this on there. It does say Ipsy on the back, but on the front, there's like 2 little wine glasses and it has just a little, like it's a keychain style thing that you can hook. So like literally if I wanted to hook it on the bag and have it hang, or you could put it on a keychain or you could put it on your purse, whatever you like to do. But I think that's really cute. So there's that I'm actually excited about. Then we have a Satin Dream Leave-In Cream, detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair types. So we have a hair product. Then we have is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleepy Mask. And I have an amazing subscriber who just sent to me this product, and I just went to Glow Recipe and bought the moisturizer. I bought a pineapple serum. I bought the chapstick, the watermelon one, and I even bought like a blueberry cleanser. I'm definitely going to start trying out that brand and just using that to see how that works. But now here's this one that I can use as well. So now I have a little bit more to add to my sleeping mask for the watermelon. This stuff smells amazing. So far, I'm loving all the products. So I can't wait to now incorporate the other two that I just got today, which was the pineapple and the blueberry cleanser. So now here we have is a Pixie by Petra, and this looks like a blush. It is Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose color, and it is all sealed, but there's the color right there. So we have a Pixie by Petra blush. Now we have is a Radiant Glow highlighter, and this is in the color Prosecco? I have no clue, but I think this is the one that I did receive. So I will set this aside for one of you guys, but there is the actual highlighter color. Very cute. I love IBY anything, so I'll always say I love IBY, but I already have this one, so I'd rather set this aside so one of you guys will enjoy it as well. And then in here it says Juliet Has a Gun perfume instead of Janie Has a Gun, I guess. And here it is. There's the actual product of the perfume, and it is a little spray bottle. So that's cool that it's a spray bottle, not just the kind that you have to do a little dabble do ya and try to put it on your temples and stuff like that. But there's the actual packaging right there. So that is everything that came in the limited edition Best of 2019. Now, I have this. I've never seen this in their thing. I haven't seen this in there. And I don't think I've gotten a Pixie by Petra like blush. And this looks like it's a full size. And then I haven't received this in there. So if these are the best of 2019, I didn't receive them last year. So I'm so glad I have them now. So now let's go ahead and go over these two guys. These are both the limited edition Valentine's Day mystery sets. For one, these bags are super cute. It kind of looks like a envelope. So this is really cute for Valentine's Day. Oh, it's all burgundy on the inside. Ipsy is right there. It does say Ipsy on the back, and they're both the same. I don't know if the contents inside is both gonna be the same, but we're gonna find out right now. So once I dump this out, okay, so this cheek palette I bought the entire Ipsy set, and I actually bought two, and one of you guys hopefully is enjoying the other one because I already went in a giveaway. But this is the blush palette. It's the blush cheek palette, and this is what it looks like. So there's 3 different colors that are inside, and again, I already have this, so I'm gonna set this aside because I definitely don't need 2 of them. Then this I've got before. This is a unicorn. This is a Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. It's a face primer, and I do have this. So that'll go to one of you guys as well. And then I'm a little confused. That's all that's in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 products. I don't know. Let me get this part open. So this will be the 3rd product, and this is by Wander Beauty, and this is Wanderous Glow After Hours, a highlighter. And it is sealed, and I just got one of these in one of my boxes. I don't even remember what box, but I did just receive this, and it was a very nice, soft, subtle highlight. I couldn't see it when I was filming, but when I was editing, I could see it. And even when I did the video afterwards, I could see that light little subtle glow. So it actually ends up being a nice highlighter if you're wanting something that's not so blinding, or something that's, you know, so shocking. Like here I am. If you want something nice and subtle, this actually was really nice. So this is the highlighter. So there's the 3rd item. Then the 4th item, this is the same little like pull tab. Yeah, that's me opening the clasp. But this is so cute. It's like 2 little lollipops, and it says Ipsy on both of them. and you can stick that like on your bag or your purse or your keychain or anything like that. So that's really cute that they're adding these. I've never seen that before. So that is everything that is inside this bag. So we have the little keychain, we have the primer, we have the highlighter, and then the cheek palette. So there's only 4 items in here. Normally Ipsy gives you 5. So let's see what's inside this one. See if they're the same, if they're different, and it looks like they're the same. So we have the Wander, we have the blush palette, we have the little same little thing, and the primer. It's weird that there's only 4 products, right? Maybe not, I don't know. That is everything that came in the Valentine's Day mystery bags, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of these bags? Did you get any of them? Did you see any of them? What was your favorite between them? The best of the Valentine's Day mystery bag or the Galentine's Day that came in an open box with a product that was on the description, but it's not inside the box. There's that. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Go ahead again, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite one was, what you thought about them. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know the drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.